49 reindeer facts that you probably don't know. Reindeer eyes change color. Reindeer have the unique ability to change the color of their eyes from gold in the summer to blue in the winter. This change helps them to see better in the varying levels of light in their Arctic and subarctic habitats. Incredible migratory journeys. Reindeer are known for their incredible migratory journeys, traveling farther than any other terrestrial mammal. Some herds migrate up to 5,000 kilometers, 3,000 miles, annually, navigating harsh terrain and predatory threats. Reindeer can see UV light. Unlike most mammals, reindeer can see ultraviolet, UV light. This ability is crucial in their environment, where UV light is abundant, as it helps them to spot predators and find food in the snow-covered landscape. Distinctive clicking sound. Reindeer make a distinctive clicking sound when they walk. This sound is produced by a tendon slipping over a bone in their feet, and it helps the members of a herd stay together in poor visibility conditions like blizzards. Antler regeneration. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, a unique feature among deer species. Moreover, they shed and completely regrow their antlers each year, which is an incredibly energy-intensive process. Adaptation to cold. Reindeer have specialized noses featuring nasal turbinate bones that increase the surface area within the nostrils. This adaptation helps to warm the air before it reaches their lungs and recovers heat from exhaled air. Dietary flexibility. Reindeer are primarily herbivores, but have been known to eat lemmings, Arctic char, and bird eggs when plant food is scarce. This dietary flexibility is key to their survival in extreme environments. Unique hoof adaptations. The hooves of reindeer adapt to the season. In summer, when the tundra is soft and wet, their foot pads become sponge-like to provide extra traction. In winter, they tighten and expose the hoof's rim, which cuts into ice and snow to prevent slipping. Rich milk. The milk of reindeer is incredibly rich in fat, containing up to 22% fat, which is more than 5 times the fat content of cow's milk. This high fat content is essential for the survival of calves in harsh climates. Thermoregulation abilities. Reindeer fur is uniquely adapted for thermoregulation. Each hair is hollow, trapping air and providing excellent insulation, which helps them withstand extreme cold temperatures. Longevity and reproduction. Reindeer have a relatively long lifespan for their size, living up to 15 years in the wild. Females usually start reproducing at around 3 years of age and can continue to have calves annually for much of their life. Antler growth rate. Reindeer have the fastest growing antlers of any mammal. They can grow at a rate of up to 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch per day. This rapid growth is fueled by a rich blood supply in the velvet covering their antlers. Unique digestive system. Reindeer have a 4-chambered stomach, similar to cows, which allows them to ferment plant material and extract nutrients efficiently. This adaptation is crucial for digesting lichens, a staple in their winter diet. Predator avoidance strategies. To evade predators, reindeer herds often move in a single-file line to minimize their scent trail and reduce noise, making it more challenging for predators like wolves to track them. Calving phenomenon. Female reindeer typically give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 230 days. Calving season is synchronized with the spring thaw to ensure maximum access to food for the newborns. Variation in coat color. Coat colors can vary significantly, ranging from dark brown in woodland subspecies to nearly white in Greenland and Svalbard populations. This variation helps them blend into their specific environments. Natural sunscreen. Reindeer have a special quality in their fur that helps protect them from UV radiation. The hollow fur reflects UV rays, functioning as a natural sunscreen. This is particularly useful during spring, when UV reflection from the snow is intense. Seasonal weight changes. Reindeer undergo significant weight changes throughout the year. They can gain up to 30% of their body weight before the winter to help survive the harsh conditions when food is scarce, and then lose this weight during the summer. Variations in eye anatomy. In winter, a layer behind the retina becomes less reflective, improving their night vision during the dark months. Infrasound communication. Reindeer can produce and hear infrasound, low-frequency sounds below the range of human hearing. This ability helps them to communicate over long distances, especially useful during blizzards or when visibility is low. Fawn's rapid development. Reindeer calves can stand within minutes of birth and are able to run within a few hours. This rapid development is vital for survival in the wild, as it allows the newborns to quickly follow the herd and escape predators. Blood flow regulation. Reindeer can control the blood flow to their skin to conserve heat. In extreme cold, they can reduce the blood flow to their skin to the point where the surface temperature is just above freezing, while keeping their internal body temperature stable. Underwater hearing. Reindeer have an exceptional ability to hear well underwater, which is unusual for land mammals. This ability is beneficial when they swim, helping them stay alert to potential underwater threats or the sounds of other herd members. Survival in isolation. Some reindeer herds live in extreme isolation, like those on the Arctic islands, and have adapted to survive with limited resources. These herds showcase remarkable resilience and ability to thrive in isolation from mainland populations. Camouflage abilities. The color of a reindeer's fur changes with the seasons, offering effective camouflage. In the summer, their coat is a lighter color to blend with the melted snow and brown tundra, while in winter, it becomes thicker and whiter. Maternal nesting. Female reindeer create a nest for their newborn calves by digging into the snow or ground. This behavior provides the calf with shelter and warmth during its first few days, which are critical for its survival. Sensitivity to insects. In the summer, reindeer are particularly troubled by insects like mosquitoes and black flies. They often move to higher ground or windy areas to escape these pests, and this behavior significantly influences their grazing patterns and migration routes. Coat insulation efficiency. The insulation properties of a reindeer's coat are so efficient that they can lie down in the snow without melting it. This is due to the incredible insulating effect of their fur, which traps heat so effectively. Young reindeer's rapid development. Reindeer calves are among the fastest developing large mammal young. They are capable of outrunning a human when only a day old and quickly learn to graze alongside their mothers. Bioluminescence. Observation. In certain Arctic regions, reindeer have been observed to feed on bioluminescent organisms like Arctic moss. This unusual diet can sometimes give their eyes a faint glow in the dark, a surprising and rare phenomenon. Unique adaptations of calves. Reindeer calves are born with a special type of fur that is water repellent. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in the damp, often snowy conditions of their habitats. Herding as a defense mechanism. When threatened, reindeer herds bunch together. This collective behavior makes it difficult for predators like wolves to target a single animal, providing a communal defense mechanism. Group calving for protection. Female reindeer often come together in large groups to give birth. This behavior provides increased vigilance and protection against predators during the vulnerable calving period. Unique antifreeze properties in blood. Reindeer blood possesses unique antifreeze properties, preventing their blood from freezing in extremely cold temperatures. This characteristic is essential for maintaining circulation in harsh Arctic winters. Ability to eat toxic plants. Reindeer can consume certain plants that are toxic to other animals. They have a highly specialized digestive system that allows them to detoxify and gain nutrition from plants that other herbivores avoid. Snow diving for warmth. In extreme cold, reindeer sometimes burrow into deep snow for warmth. The snow acts as an insulator, keeping them warmer than the frigid air temperatures above. Yawning for thermoregulation. Reindeer have been observed to yawn as a means of thermoregulation. Yawning helps regulate brain temperature and can be crucial in maintaining optimal body function in the extreme cold. Ability to withstand strong winds. Reindeer have a remarkable ability to withstand strong Arctic winds. Their thick fur and body shape help them reduce wind resistance, allowing them to conserve energy during storms. Color perception. Reindeer have a different color perception compared to humans. They see the world mostly in blues and greens, which helps them detect predators and food in their snowy, often monochromatic environment. Variability in nose coloration. The color of a reindeer's nose varies among individuals and can range from black to a light pink. This variation is believed to be due to differences in blood vessel concentration in the nose. Impressive running speed. Adult reindeer can run at impressive speeds. This speed is essential for escaping predators and covering long distances during migrations. Antler growth, influenced by daylight. The growth of reindeer antlers is influenced by the amount of daylight. In the perpetual daylight of Arctic summers, antlers can grow faster, whereas growth slows down as the days shorten. Symbiotic relationship with certain plant species. Reindeer grazing patterns can promote the growth of certain plant species. Some plants benefit from being grazed upon, as it helps spread their seeds or reduces competition for resources. Reindeer antlers as mineral sources. When reindeer shed their antlers, these antlers become a source of minerals for other animals in the ecosystem. Small mammals and birds often consume antler fragments for calcium and other nutrients. Social bonding through grooming. Reindeer engage in social grooming, which is not only for cleanliness, but also for establishing and maintaining social bonds within the herd. This behavior is especially observed among mothers and calves. Rapid swimming in calves. Young reindeer are capable swimmers, often required to follow their mothers across rivers or lakes shortly after birth. Calves can swim at speeds of around 6.5 kilometers per hour, an impressive feat for their age. Reindeer antlers. Male and female reindeer differ not only in size and body mass, but also in the shape of their antlers. Males have more developed and branched antlers, while females have less developed antlers. Calves' rapid adaptation to cold. Calves are highly adapted to the cold from the moment they are born. Their fur is denser than adults, providing immediate insulation in freezing temperatures. Rudolph's red nose. The famous red nose of Rudolph, a popular Christmas folklore reindeer, has a basis in reality. Reindeers' noses have a dense network of blood vessels, which helps to keep the nose warm and sensitive, crucial for foraging in the snow. In some cases, this can make their noses appear reddish, especially in cold weather. If you are into animals, like and subscribe for more. Bonus facts can be found on our social media